Welcome to our facility. From these silos to the fully automated packaging line you see behind me, we prioritize precision and freshness.
Moisture levels are stable, just under the threshold.
Confirmed. The shipment is approved for processing.
We emphasize grain quality and kernel integrity. This essential pre-press step ensures the finest flour.
From raw grain to the perfect pancake mix, this is the story of
steady, uniform material handling is essential here. The vibratory feeders regulate the flow, ensuring
Moisture content is well within the acceptable range. We can clear this lot for blending.
Excellent. I'll update the inventory system now.
Look at the real-time metrics here. The internal grain condition is perfect.
Agreed. The tempering process is proceeding exactly as required. Here's how it works. The moisture softens the wheat bran, stabilizing the milling efficiency as the raw grain transitions to material for our pancake mix.
The slow, controlled conditioning step prepares wheat for efficient flour extraction, crucial to pancake mix manufacturing.
this river of pristine wheat is now ready to become the finest pancake mix. This step underscores the importance of controlled physical separation in shaping the flour composition required.
This conveyor transition illustrates how the milling line gradually reduces particle size, preparing future batches of pancake mix flour with high consistency. This step highlights how thermal stability prevents flour scorching and preserves quality during continuous pancake mix milling operations.
Coarse stock diverted from remise parisienne falls back toward additional brake rolls through stainless steel chutes.
Clean semolina descends through the purifier's lower outlets, captured in gently sloping conduits. Soft white light illuminates its uniform granulation.
The precise calibration of our hydrodynamic separators ensures optimal granularity, which directly correlates to the
Sensors in the transfer lines verify the absence of residue after cleaning. Digital monitors flash line cleared.
Cyclone separators spin overhead, pulling fine airborne flour into conical catch chambers.
The particle distribution looks stable. The curves are very smooth.
Yes, consistent performance confirmed for the industrial mixing stage.
This is where the magic begins. The flour is staged in these towering bins, ready for the controlled blending phase of our pancake mix.
Flour drops into a large pre-blend surge hopper, cushioned by controlled airflow. Pressure sensors.
baking powder enters a secondary dosing chute, its pale particles tracked by optical sensors.
The key is the precise balance of leavening. Observe how the carbon dioxide bubbles expand in the simulation.
The anti-caking agent is added last, sprinkling in soft, fine clouds under bright task lighting.
Air. The ingredient room ventilation system circulates filtered, low humidity air. Large intake hoods and air
This test verifies aeration and flow characteristics, critical for achieving uniform pour behavior once the pancake mix reaches retail pouches.
The chromatography results look perfect.
Confirmed. All specifications met, ready for approval.
Twin counter rotates engage, pushing and bashing blades.
The blender's bottom gate opens, releasing powder into a vibrating discharge chute. Particles fall.
Powder streams down the chute in a uniform sheet as vibratory motion prevents clumping. Stainless.
We analyze the flowability requirements here, as the physical behavior of the powder directly determines packaging efficiency and the final consumer experience.
Oversized fragments tumble down a reject chute, while approved powder continues forward. Powder enters a moisture conditioning hopper where dehumidifiers maintain strict low moisture conditions.
We're seeing good correlation on the internal friction measurement.
Yes, that confirms the consistency we need for the blend.
An anti-caking performance test compresses powder under a weighted press. Bright overhead lighting reveals how the mix fractures and flows afterward.
This demonstrates how our physical additives preserve stability. As you can see, the untreated mix clumps, but
I'm increasing the speed slightly on the control panel. Okay, the seals look consistent.
The mix flows through a final fine mesh check sieve, gently vibrating to remove.
As you can see, the illuminated control panels monitor the sifting process in real time, guaranteeing the perfect consistency of our pancake mix powder.
Pressure jaws compress the newly heated seam, ensuring integrity and airtight closure. Under high-key lighting, automatic dispensers place slip sheets between pallet layers. Thin sheets slide into position while the robot pauses.
As you can see, this is the final staging point. We synchronize the distribution schedules with the production output before moving to the regional hubs. We handle the entire production chain, from raw grain milling to the packaged mix you see. Once loaded onto these trucks,
From our hubs to your store, every packet of pancake mix is tracked along the major transport routes.
Check the I-5 corridor. Traffic is building near the depot.
Rerouting Unit 7. ETA updated.
okay, this one goes to aisle 4.
Got it. Watch the turn coming up.
The pallet is broken down into individual cartons for sorting. Stainless tables, automated conveyor.
This shot ties factory-engineered leavening performance to visible, real-world cooking behavior.
The color is uniform and warm, demonstrating how controlled ingredient ratios result in even Maillard browning, a direct outcome of industrial consistency.
A successful bridge between industrial powder engineering and enjoyable breakfast experiences.
A close-up reveals the pancake's interior crumb, airy pockets, tender texture, and uniform structure.
Industrial food science isn't just for factories. It's about understanding the chemistry of cooking, which empowers us to make these perfect steaming pancakes.
All right, guys, dig in.
Oh, these look absolutely delicious, honey.
Can I have extra syrup, Dad?
Consistency and food safety are paramount. From the initial mix to the final capping, our efficient production methods ensure a safe, high-quality product every time.
A final aerial shot of the production facility at sunset, so silos, blending halls,